What if a single scan tool could save you thousands of dollars every year by letting you diagnose almost any car problem at home, just like a professional shop? Today, I'm reviewing the Launch OBD2 Scanner Touch Pro Elite, a 2026 elite-level diagnostic tool that claims to replace multiple scanners with one powerful device. But is it really worth your money? Stick around to the end because this one might surprise you. Product features. The Launch Touch Pro Elite is a full-system diagnostic scanner, not just a basic code reader. That means it can scan all major vehicle modules: engine, transmission, ABS, airbags, TPMS, steering, gateway, and more. It works with 45-plus car brands and over 10,000 vehicle models, and Launch updates the vehicle software weekly over Wi-Fi, no extra fees. One of the biggest upgrades is the 20 reset and service functions, including oil and service reset, ABS bleeding, EPB and BMS reset, throttle adaptation, injector coding, SAS calibration, DPF regeneration, TPMS reset, IMMO and AC reset. This scanner also features AutoFin, which automatically identifies your vehicle, plus real-time live data, battery voltage graphing, and the ability to save and email diagnostic reports. Perfect if you want records or need to share info with a mechanic. Hardware-wise, it's impressive. 5-inch HD touchscreen, Android 7.0 system, 4-core processor, 6100 mAh rechargeable battery, 32 GB storage, and yes, it supports all OBD2, eOBD2, and JOBD2 protocols. Pros and cons. Pros: full system diagnostics like a Pro tool, 20 advanced reset functions, no subscription fees for updates, large bright touchscreen, AutoVIN and built-in DTC lookup, 2 years free Wi-Fi updates plus 5-year warranty, includes a free TPMS activation tool for GM vehicles. Cons: more advanced than beginners may need. Compatibility varies by vehicle, VIN check is recommended. Slight learning curve if you're new to professional scanners. Overall review. The Launch Touch Pro Elite is an excellent choice for DIY mechanics, serious car owners, and small repair shops. If you're tired of guessing problems or paying diagnostic fees, this scanner can easily pay for itself within a year. It's powerful, fast, and one of the best all-system scanners in its price range. If this review helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest auto tool reviews, and check the product link in the description below for the latest deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair.